Racing as they battle for the OTB Sapi Charity Stakes race. We have Moraita break quickly at the start, and in second comes Elusive God well alongside, and then comes the Senyor pinakamagaling is Scotland Yard, yes, Pogi, while Lakota Creek is the early trailer, and going along for the first turn we have Moraita by our length and a half is Scotland Yard in second, then on the outside comes well pinakamagaling comes next, and on the outside Elusive Guts, Senor comes next, yes, Pogi, while Lakota Creek is still racing in last. And as they swing down the back, the lead now belongs to Scotland Yard. By our head, then on the outside, Moraita, well comes next. And then next on that is Elusive God. Yes! Pogi, likewise now moving up, pinakamagaling si Senyor and Lakota Creek. Last 400 meters of the race, we have well by about 3 lengths. Moraita in second, Scotland Yard, yes, Pogi, with about 150 meters more to run. We have well, this time by about 8 lengths, followed by yes, Pogi in second, and finally it's well. Yes, Pogi. Then comes Scotland Yard, pinakamagaling, Moraita.